Hi guys, today I want to share with you the Cordless high pressure cleaner. In this video, I will show you how to use the high pressure cleaner and the soap bottle. In this package, it contains a car wash machine, a battery, a charger, a 5-meter hose, a faucet connector, a connector, a foam pan, and 2 nozzle heads. This machine is suitable for car washing, floor cleaning, wall cleaning, glass cleaning, vegetable cleaning, seafood cleaning, aircon cleaning, and etc. Make sure you install all the accessories correctly, because if you don't, the machine might not work as usual. You can attach and detach the water head by pushing down the chuck and slot in the water head, and to take out, push down the chuck and slot out the head.